In this video, we will create a rough toolpath. This toolpath quickly removes large amounts of material of stock in preparation for a finish pass. Roughing passes are typically straight cuts parallel to the Z-axis. Create a rough toolpath. When the chaining dialog box appears, select the partial chaining method. Then, select this line so that it's going in this direction, and then this line here. Choose the OK button to exit the chaining dialog box. Choose the same tool that we used to face the part, then enter in the comment. Select the Rough Parameters tab. In the Depth of Cuts area, we can tell Mastercam to either automatically calculate depth cuts, use equal steps, leave the depth of cut set to 0.1. This sets the amount of material to be removed during each pass. Minimum cut depth sets the minimum cut that can be taken per pass. Change the stock to leave in X to 0.005. Same thing with the stock to leave in Z. These values set the remaining stock in either the X or the Z axis to leave after the tool completes all of its passes. Set the entry amount to 0.1. This sets the height at which the tool rapids to or from the part. Choose the Overlap button. The Rough Overlap parameters lets you select options to determine how much the tool overlaps the previous cut before making the next cut. Change the overlap amount to 0.05. This sets the overlap amount as a distance. The minimum overlap angle sets the angle at which Mastercam will start overlapping cuts. Choose the OK button to exit this dialog box. Then, select the lead-in out. This sets the parameter of how the tool approaches and retracts from the part. Select lead out and enable extend shorten the end of contour. The adjust contour allows you to extend or shorten the contour by an amount or by adding a line. We are extending the lead out to ensure that the part is completely machined. Change the amount to 0.125 and enable extend. The feed rate area allows you to specify a custom feed rate for the lead in or lead out. The exit vector area allows you to create a tangent arc move or perpendicular move to start or exit the toolpath. You can also manually define an entry or exit vector or let the system automatically calculate a vector for you. Choose the OK button. In the stock recognition area, change this to use stock for outer boundary. When you enable this option, you can choose the Adjust Stock button here. Adjust Stock is used to tell Mastercam how to integrate the contour that you've chained for the toolpath with the stock boundary. Select End to Adjust allows you to adjust the start and the end of the chain contour. Undo stock boundary modifications resets the lines used to extend the chain contour back to the state they were in prior to selecting the Adjust Contour button. Recompute default stock boundary recomputes the lines used to extend the chain contour to the stock boundary using the system boundary. This button will choose to make the line from the start or end of the chained contour perpendicular to the cut direction for the operation. This button will extend the stock boundary parallel to the cut direction. Choose this to make the line from the start or end of the chained contour parallel to the cut direction for the operation. Extend the stock boundary parallel to the end of the chain. Choose this to make the line from the start or end of the chained contour tangent to the first or last entity of the chain contour. Select the OK button to exit the Adjust Stock dialog box. Select the OK button to generate this toolpath. Then, select all of the operations, backplot, and verify them. Once complete, your part should appear as shown. Close the Mastercam editor, then toggle the toolpath display to remove it from the screen.